Hey, my name is Bill Wilkins from Wilkins Building. You may wonder, what am I doing sitting here on this little bench? I'm pretending I'm sitting on the crapper. And the reason why is, this is something that most builders forget to do, is put blocking in for the toilet paper holder. So, what we're going to do is we're going to pretend we're on the toilet, and we're going to figure we need to reach over somewhere over here for the toilet paper holder. What we're going to do is we're going to put some blocking in, approximately 24 inches off the ground. Put your safety glasses on. I don't want no one getting hurt. Put your block in. Hold it in place. Okay. Now we got a place for the toilet paper holder. When the guy puts the sheetrock up, it's already there. And that's it. Okay, this is what happens when you don't block up your toilet paper holder. You get a hole in the sheetrock, and somebody grabbing the toilet paper too hard rips it right off the wall. So what you need to do is put some blocking behind that, and that'll solve that problem.